Pipe Clean PC is basically a crime scene cleaner game where you are an undercover cop and you're trying to clean crime scene but also secretly collecting evidence so you can figure out who the leader of the syndicate is. And yeah, so we have been working on this game for almost 4 months now, and the development is going great. And it's a team of two of us, and we are at Luminary Creations. We are based in Calgary, and we are very happy and excited to be here at the GameCons Canada. And yeah, it's been a great experience, and yeah, it's been great learning.
And what if people are interested in the game? What should they do now?
They can wishlist the game on Steam. We already have a Steam page. They can come at our booth and scan the QR code or just search Wipe Clean PC on Steam and they'll see it. We are using Unity engine. And so I do most of the coding and my friend does the level designing and a little bit of other marketing stuff. So yeah, it's just a team of two, but we're a new team, but we have a lot of passion and experience. We hope that players have a great experience playing this game. And all the feedback we have got here has been great as well.